Good evening, students. Today we will see about factor of safety. Okay, so what is factor of safety? It is defined as the ratio of maximum stress to the working stress. Okay, the ratio of maximum stress to the working stress means working stress is also known as design stress. Okay, so why it is most important in factor of safety? Why it is most important? Okay, so factor of safety is important for brittle material as well as ductile material. Okay, so factor of in case of ductile materials, factor of safety is defined as the ratio of yield point stress to the working or design stress. Okay, and in case of brittle material, it should be the ratio of ultimate stress to the working or design stress. Okay, so main number of times student may get confused in brittle material and ductile material. Keep in always mind that for ductile material, yield point stress upon working stress, and for brittle material, ultimate stress upon working stress. Okay, so what are the factors for affecting the selection of factor of safety? Okay, means on which factors the factor of safety depends. Okay, so we can see one by one. First is the reliability of the properties of the material and change of these property during service. Okay, the reliability. Okay, so what do you mean by reliability? So reliability means it is the future extent property, uh, means future property of material and change of this property during service. Okay, म्हणजे why this property change, what should be change in these properties in future. Okay, then second, the reliability of test results and accuracy of application of these results to the actual machine parts. Means the reliability of test results mean at what, up to what time these material or these properties of material should get. Okay, next third is the reliability of applied load. Okay, and the number 4, the certainty as to exact mode of failure means at which point or at how, at which condition the failure may occurs. Okay, then the extent of simplifying assumptions, then the extent of localized stresses. Okay, what and which types of stresses to be induced or what stresses to be changed. Okay, this change of localized stresses, then the extent of initial stresses set up during manufacture. While manufacturing any component, some internal stresses will be developed in that component. So these considerations are most important. Then the extent of loss of life if failure occurs, means at what condition the failure occurs, means at which life. And last, the extent of loss of property if failure occurs, म्हणजे while failure occurs, which properties may loss. Okay, which but proper material properties will be lost. Okay, thank you.